Hello, everyone. Today's speaking topic is: describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. You should say what it is, how it was broken, how you got it repaired, and how you felt about it. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. So, without further ado, let's start the sample answer. Today I would like to talk about a clock that holds sentimental value in my home. This clock is not just a timekeeping device, but also a cherished family heirloom that has been with us for generations. Unfortunately, it suffered some damage recently, and I will share the story of how it was broken, how we got it repaired, and my feelings about the entire experience. One evening, while my younger brother was playing with his toy cars, he accidentally knocked the clock off the shelf it had rested on for years. The impact shattered the glass covering the clock face, and the delicate hands were dislodged. It was a heart-wrenching moment as we heard the crash and rushed to the scene. As soon as we assessed the damage, my family decided to have the clock repaired professionally. I researched nearby clock repair shops and found a highly recommended one. We took it to the clock repair shop, where a skilled horologist carefully examined it. He informed us that the clock would require a complete restoration due to the extent of the damage. We agreed to the repairs and left the precious timepiece in his capable hands. The repair process took a couple of weeks as the clock required careful craftsmanship. The period when our beloved clock was being repaired felt like an eternity. I couldn't help but feel a sense of loss without its familiar ticking in the background. The clock had been a constant presence in our home, marking the passage of time through countless family gatherings and milestones. Its absence was palpable, and I realized how much we relied on it for a sense of continuity in our lives. We felt immense gratitude towards the skilled craftsman who had painstakingly restored it to its former glory. When we finally received the repaired clock, my heart swelled with relief and joy. The horologist had done a remarkable job. Not only was it fixed, but it seemed to have regained its former glory, perhaps even looking better than before. The glass was pristine, and the hands moved smoothly once again. The incident of our cherished clock being broken and subsequently repaired was a poignant reminder of the significance of family heirlooms and the emotions attached to them. It made me appreciate the value of skilled craftsmanship in restoring sentimental treasures. Our clock now sits proudly in its place, serving as a reminder of the importance of preserving our family history and the care we invest in the things we hold dear. All in all, the vintage clock taught our family the importance of preserving cherished heirlooms and the value of skilled craftsmanship. It was a reminder that sometimes, with patience and the right expertise, broken things can be restored to their former beauty, carrying with them the legacy of generations past. This experience deepened our appreciation for the sentimental treasures that make a house a home. Here is the list of useful vocabulary. IELTS Speaking Part 3 Follow-up Questions. 1. Is the quality of products worse than before? 2. What kinds of things do people like to repair by themselves? 3. Why do people like to get their electronic products repaired in specialized stores? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And we will see you in the next video.